Put some batteries in your Geiger counters, because it's Krieg time.
Uranium fever. Welcome back to the Kieran Show. My name is Kieran, his name is Kieran, and today we are talking about army costs once again. Is it the first one of 2025?
This is the first one we have done in a hot minute, because we've been in a 40k drought.
I didn't even realise we were in a drought. We had a proper little tiff about this, didn't we? I was like, no, it wasn't a drought. We had Agent Cotias.
And then I was like, Kieran, name the last codex we had that you could officially talk about. And you're like, stop winning.
Yeah, no, I forget did, and my brain did. Yeah. Anyway, we're here, and Astra Militarum has dropped, which is very, very cool indeed.
Yes.
However, instead of going straight into Astra Militarum, we were like, you know what would be cooler?
Why not Krieg?
Why not Krieg? Loads of new cool minis and units and points and all the rest of it. And there was quite a big question that came up recently with Kieran starting a brand new Krieg force. We of course thought, how much does a Krieg army actually cost? Yeah,
It's on the numbers. It's on this.
it's on the Geiger counter.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
I tell you what, by the end of it, the radiation will be.
So normally we chat about this before we record. So we're just like, oh, we've chosen this for XYZ reasons. Kieran told me last night it's the most expensive one we've ever done. And I was like, do I want to know? Don't I want to know?
There's been some buzz around Krieg for a couple of weeks because of how expensive they are, for how little points they are. So I already knew this was going to be expensive.
Yeah.
And I was like, I won't lean into trying to make it as expensive as possible. I was like, I'll try and do it. So it's well-rounded, it's fluffy, but it's got some variation and it's expensive.
It's a spenny list.
The one saving grace that we do have is that Papa G-Dubs dropped an actual Krieg infantry set, so we don't all have to buy the £41.50 kill team.
That was very, very nice of them, and also incredibly sneaky because you bought 5. Foolishness.
It's still out of stock. So many people did.
Unbelievable.
Well, guy in our Discord bought 7 boxes of the kill team.
Brain rot's a real thing. Look out for your smooth brain friends because sometimes they might need a helping hand. This is going to be very interesting because, like we say with all of these army cost videos, we don't take into effect FOMO boxes, so no Death Korps of Krieg army box. You can't get hold of it anyway. Death Korps of Krieg don't have a combat patrol box.
Nope.
Oh no. So I suppose we should probably just jump right in.
Yes, so full disclaimer, these are full GW RRPs off their website. And also this is accurate of the MUNITORUM field manual that dropped with the limited edition one. These aren't... If this was the points that are in the back of the book, I have a funny feeling this would be a third more.
Oh no.
Yeah, the points in the back of that book were very cheap.
Horrible.
Yeah.
Mainly horrible.
So, should we get into it?
Let's do it.
First up, got 5 boxes of Krieg Guardsmen.
Oh my god, 50 Krieg!
Krieg is a heavy foot slugger army.
Yes.
50 of them might not be competitive, but it's fluffy. So that, hilariously, have a guess how many points 50 Krieg will set you back.
Points?
Yep.
Like 450?
325.
Oh my god. How much is that?
So right out of the gate, we're spending £157 on 325 points.
Oh god, I hate this game. What?
There are no brakes on this train.
No, there is not. Good.
Yeah, you're going to need a few of them.
Oh, no.
Next up, 2 boxes of the command squads.
Only 2?
There's an argument to put 3 in here. I know some people in our Discord have gone 3, but I needed to fit some other stuff in here.
Nice.
So we've gone 2. 130 points for two command squads.
Tragic.
And £56.
Oh, it's so tragic.
£56 for 130.
This is going to take hours.
So, fast math, we are just over £200 in, and we are only 455 points into the army.
That is revolting.
slowly realising that me starting a Krieg army might have been a bad life choice.
And we just saw your pile of shame.
Well, yeah.
We're about to see some more gas masks.
Keeping with the theme of multiple boxes of things,
My God.
it's 2 boxes of Death Riders. 5 in each, so 10 total.
Just 10.
Again, there's an argument here to have 3 of them, if not more. I've seen
Yeah.
people running 30 of them.
Yeah, I think the guys over at Second Rank Fire, Dave is running 30.
30 of these and then 30
Rough
Death Riders. Yeah, 30 Death Riders, 30 Rough Riders.
And Lee, I'm going to call him Leonidas. And then
Leonidas on a horse.
And then Drier. So I think he's running 62 horses.
Yeah, so 10 Death Riders will set you back 140 points. Are you ready for the worst bit?
Oh, I don't think I am. Oh, go on.
Remember that number. 140 points.
Okay.
£80.
Oh, God. Oh, God. I tell you what, Krieg is definitely like the ultimate hobby army, isn't it? It's like, do you like painting the same thing over and over again? Get this. Oh, it's cool, isn't it? I'm saying that so aggressively.
It's cool!
It's cool! It's so dumb. It's so dumb.
Let's move on from
I think we should.
£80 for 140 points.
That is disgusting.
2 boxes of the combat engineers.
Oh, we're going again.
So 10 of them total. 140 points.
Right.
£56.
Oh, what? What?
These were, so in the back of the book points, these were disgusting. I think they were something like 35 points.
What are they now?
70 points.
Well, so they doubled in points cost.
Something like that, yeah.
I mean,
well, there might have been 45 points. They were they were insanity.
I'm glad. It would have almost been a point per pound ratio.
Yeah.
Which is beyond tragic.
The worst bit is, like, this is quite light in terms of Krieg fluffiness for troops. Like, there's people that I've seen that are running 60 Krieg guardsmen and 30 combat engineers.
Oh, so disgusting. So disgusting.
But we'll stop buying multiples of things for the minute.
Oh, okay. That's
We
good.
need the one character to lead all of these.
Oh, sweet, sweet Drier.
Sweet Drier.
Sweet, sweet Drier atop his pony.
100 points.
Nice.
It's quite expensive for a Krieg model by the looks
100
of it.
points. Oh, unfortunately, you can only take one of him, though.
Yeah. I mean, it's £37.
I was really disappointed that they didn't do as like a dual part kit with him.
Or just like a generic man
like
on horse.
Just like a BS commissar on a horse.
I mean, you can make your own, but you still can't run more than one on the list.
Yeah, I think that's sad.
Anyway, so we put the brakes on the multiple boxes of things. It's now time to take them off again.
Okay, yeah.
It's 3 boxes of these.
Go on.
Artillery guns.
Okay.
Big shooters!
The big shooter.
And we all know that you're building these 2 siege cannons at strength 12 and the other one at the mortar launcher.
Oh, so gross. I mean, it's cool, but gross.
Are you ready for the worst bit?
Oh, I don't think so.
So 3 of those is 285 points. Have a guess how many pounds?
It's going to be something ridiculous, like 120 quid or something, isn't it?
120 quid!
Such ridiculousness. Foolishness.
What's even worse? So we'll get to the Australia points at the end.
Pounds.
Australia dollar dues. $315 for 285 points.
I tell you what, Australia must just look at that Krieg launch and go, nope.
Yeah, they're just like,
Easy pass.
I'll play Custodes.
Yeah, no thanks.
Next up, more big guns.
Okay.
There's only one squad of these, the little ones. The little heavy weapon squads.
Oh no! Oh, the teeny weeny tractors with the little lawnmower things.
The
with
one
the
with
guns
the damaged 2 flamers.
Oh, yeah, of course.
That can go in a tank and shoot out of them.
Thanks, G-dubs.
75 points. £31.50.
Oh, sick. 2 points per pound. Go. Love those stonks.
It's time to move on to some heavy stuff now.
Okay.
There's a lot of people just running through the mud here.
I don't even know how many models you've got so far. It must be like close to 80.
We'll add up the model count at the end.
Oh, sick.
It's time for a tank.
Just one?
Yep. Rogal Dorn.
Oh, sweet.
There's an argument here. I mean, maybe it doesn't look very Krieg, and you could buy the Solar Auxilia Malkador tank and make that and proxy that as a Rogal Dorn if you so choose. But a Rogal Dorn is 240 points or £63.25.
Okay. I think that's fine. I mean, it's It's not, but it's fine.
So we'll get to this in a minute. I wanted to run 2 of these and then some other stuff, but I didn't have enough points.
You didn't have enough points. In this army, you didn't have enough points.
Because
I dread the thing what else you put in here.
Next up, it's the last unit. And there's
The last one?
The last thing.
All right.
And there's 3 of them.
Okay.
It's not Beyblades.
Is it a Leman Russ?
Three Leman Russ tanks.
3 Leman Russes, okay.
And I have put the solar auxiliary ones here because Krieg do use that pattern of tank and they do look cooler and
Are they cheaper?
they're the same price.
Oh, right, okay.
And there's a better build kit. The Leman Russ kit is old
Duty.
now. For the purposes of points, I've just put these as Leman Russ battle tanks. There's so many variations of the Leman Russ. Have fun. But for 3 of these, I've got them at 525 points.
525?
Yeah.
I mean...
They're 170 something.
Okay, well, that's pretty good, though.
£127.50.
I mean, your value in Guard is always going to be tanks, isn't it? So
Well, not Krieg.
not Krieg, sadly. So what's that? 4 tanks,
That
3...
right. We'll go through it. So that is 50 Krieg Guardsmen, 14 command people, so that's 64. 74 with Death Riders, 84 with Combat Engineers, 85 with Drier. 85 people foot slogging it all on horses.
I mean, yes, I love it. The movement phase would be awful, but everything else is great.
There's an argument here if you wanted to run a full foot slugger warfare, you could take out a couple of Leman Russes and buy more Guardsmen.
How many legally can you take? Can you take double units of Kriegsmen? So
Yeah.
like 20?
So you could take 6 units of 20.
Is that the cap? 6 or is it 7 battle line?
They're battle line, aren't they? Correct us in the comments if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure there is a way you can run 120 Krieg Guardsmen.
That is disgusting. Oh, I mean, that's disgusting.
And me and my 50 ain't even close.
Yeah, yeah, sure. 120 is absolutely abysmal. You'd probably win on attrition.
you'd be
the
the only one that had a turn
Yeah, be like, well,
in the game.
clock's over. You haven't scored any points.
There's no more units.
Okay, so what was that? 84?
85, or 84, whatever the number said a minute. 84 or 85 people on the ground.
Good God.
And then 3 artillery guns,
Yep.
3 more small guns,
Uh-huh.
4 tanks.
I mean, it is cool.
It's fluffy.
It's dumb.
Oh, there is
whole thing
no
is
way
dumb.
this is a clever army to run.
No.
So
How many points?
1,960 points total.
Okay, so you've got enough in there for upgrades for your Leman Russes. or
Yeah,
fight
I mean,
characters
I
or
could have
whatever.
potentially tried to squeeze this in at 2,000, but this gives room for now you can have them, a Rogal Dorn command tank.
Oh, that is sick, actually. Yeah,
Yeah.
big fan of that. Nice.
I really wanted to put a Baneblade in here because I just love a Baneblade.
I think, as you mentioned...
But the problem is, it's £115 for a 480 point model.
Yeah, I mean, as cool as they are, like, you need to make them worth it. And I feel like in Krieg, where you have quite a lot of artillery and foot sloggers,
Yeah.
you're going to have to relinquish something. And it would have been all those.
It was basically
Leman Russ.
it was basically a trade-off. It was either a Rogal Dorn and a Baneblade or a Rogal Dorn and 3 Leman Russ. And I think a Rogal Dorn
Yeah.
and 3 Leman Russ
I think you made the right
is
choice.
more sensible.
And because you've gone with the Heresy chassis, I think it would have looked really cool.
Yeah.
I say would have. It will look. If you do buy this, because you're a cool guy.
Yeah, for 1,960 points, we'll just go through it again because you might have forgotten because it is stupid. 50 Krieg Guardsmen, 2 command squads, 2 squads of Death Riders, making them 10. 2 squads of Combat Engineers, 10. Marshal Drier, 3 big artillery guns, a heavy weapon squad, a Rogal Dorn, and 3 Solar Auxiliary Leman Russ / normal Leman Russ battle tanks.
Minging.
And a codex and a data cards.
Oh, of course. And a partridge in a pear tree, for sure.
You ready for the ready for the numbers?
Oh, no. I really don't think I am. Go on.
7.
7.
700.
Yeah.
And 86.
780 what?
£786.25.
Oh my God. That's close to 800. That's a joke. That's an actual joke. My Chaos Wolves cost, they're about the same, surely. Oh, wow. Well, Krieg players, good grief.
If any of you have significant others, don't tell them how much your Krieg army costs.
Never, ever show them this video.
So we'll go through the other currencies because that is a riot.
Oh, God.
So hamburger tokens, $1,259.50
Nice one, America.
in America land. Euros, 1,010.75 euros. And the one that we all love.
Oh, the Wombat Hellscape.
Wombat Hellscape, 2,105.
You did it! You conquered 2,000!
Without even trying.
No, you didn't even try. Oh, Australia, pour one out. Oh, sorry. I mean, that is a tragedy, isn't it? The Geiger count has gone off. We've all got radiation sickness.
you need a radiated brain to buy a Krieg army by the looks of it.
Yeah, everybody's turned to death claws and mauling each other. Follow a reference. That is horrible. Genuinely horrible. Would love to see it.
You will.
Oh, I know.
I've got 50 Kriegsmen.
It's so disgusting.
Yeah, I think. I mean, I'm a relatively new Krieg/Guard player. I think I did okay to hit the fluff. Like,
I think it's absolutely mental just jumping in that you are now playing Guard.
who'd have thought it 3 years ago
You.
when we started slamming Imperial Guard and it's like, oh, they're rubbish.
I mean, we always said that Krieg were the only cool aspect of Guard players. And now you are fully like jumping in, and you've painted.
I've painted 46 Krieg people
Gross.
in one go.
Great. Oh, of course, because Kieran has a smooth brain. Kieran painted 46 Kriegmen in one go.
Like I say, cool guy.
Not that. Not that. I
saw
mean,
it.
by the sounds of it, you've still got at least another 50 to go. Horrible.
Luckily, I bought the army set,
Yeah, thank God you did.
which I think only works out as something like 380 or 400 points.
Oh, so gross, man. So gross.
Yeah, I think it's been fun. I remember seeing a comment on like one of our previous videos. People were like, you hate on Imperial Guard so much. Why do you like Krieg? They're the most non-flavourful army. They're all clones. It's just how grimdark they are.
Maybe. I think they're certainly cooler than Guard, and I think making them clones in a, I don't know, radioactive setting, and all their horses have got little beanie weenies instead of horse hooves.
So next up for this codex, there is a normal Astra Militarum list coming, written by yours truly, and if it doesn't include 18 tanks, you did it wrong.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, it certainly isn't going to be as expensive as yours was. And plus, I've got a combat patrol I can utilise, so
Yeah,
R.I.P.
and a relatively good combat patrol as well.
And a Baneblade. I don't think I'll include a Baneblade, but yeah, you want a more well-rounded one.
It'd be what'd be really funny is obviously we've hated, like we keep saying, we've hated on Imperial Guard a bit. It's been quite funny for them to have to watch us make a list.
I think so, yeah. But next up, we've got Eldar, and then we'll do an Astra Militarum one shortly after that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And who knows where we'll be after that.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a very busy start to the year, especially with
we've had a drought with these.
Army controls. I haven't got any controls. Army costs. There's going to be a lot of them. So, yeah.
We're in for a fun time. There's a few back-to-back codexes we've got to get through.
Oh, boy.
Let us know in the comments what you think of this Krieg list that I made. If you want to go and spend that much money, use the affiliate links.
But please buy responsibly. Cannot stress that enough.
If you're going to buy Krieg, you're looking at sensible in the rearview mirror.
Yeah. Sorry, not sorry.
But yeah, thank you to this giant list of enablers.
You're the best.
On the side.
Around. Sorry, I've sung a lot tonight already. Yeah, no, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Anything else?
Tally ho.
Oh.